We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner on an HP LaserJet M404dn. So this printer, it takes a CF258A or X. Your A is going to be your low yield, the X is going to be your high yield. The low yield just has less ink, the high yield is more bulk. So go ahead and there's a button right here to open your front hatch. Then you just pull this bad boy out, set it to the side, unbox your new toner, get it ready to put in, and then you have little guides right here to follow. Once you hear it click in there, you know it's installed correctly. Shut your front hatch, and then you're good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.